How to fund FxPro account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your FxPro account, and after that you would be able to find this option of fund or fund your wallet if in case it is the new account under the section of wallets and accounts. Additionally, you can also select this option of deposit in case if you are not able to find it up. Simply select fund your wallet, and after that just wait for it to load. And here you would get plenty of options to choose from, like your local bank transfer, Binance Pay, USDT, Bitcoin, different kinds of cryptos, Skrill, net teller, and the bank transfer. Just simply select any of this and click on continue. You can select currency in case if you are selecting the bank transfer. In case if you are selecting Binance Pay, simply provide your amount that you want to deposit and click on fund. In case if you are going with USDT, simply select it and you would get the details like the network address or something like this. Usually for USDT, TRC20 is the lowest fee one. Simply select this and you would get these options like the USDT address and use them in order to send the funds, and you would get it in your FxPro. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.